Hello everyone, today we're going to be talking about how to use the Kentucky Virtual Library for some research. We'll be utilizing specifically the EBSCO and the ERIC search platforms that we have in addition to this lovely virtual library. So the first thing you'll do is you'll need to log in. This little button right here looks like a lock and key. You can click on there and there you can enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll get a screen that looks very similar to mine over here. We're going to go to the databases because we want to use, like I said, EBSCO. So we'll go ahead and click on there. We're going to click on the EBSCO ERIC over here. And ERIC is just like a subset of EBSCO. So we're still going to be using a lot of their things that they have. It's just, a specific portion of that. Let's just say hypothetically you want to look up the dinosaur extinction. So let's look up dinosaurs and extinction. And for now, we'll go ahead and hit search and see how many results we get. So 6 is a pretty manageable number. If you needed to, you could also limit here based on publication date. You could pick the source that it's in. There are usually options there for language and such. So if you speak other languages, or maybe you find a source that's in another language you don't speak, you can shuffle those out. And let's see if one of those here pertains what we're trying to find here. So let's try this first one over here. This looks like a pretty reasonable source. You see it's an academic journal here. We're going to get to see the full text document, so we are pretty lucky. As you scroll down over here, you can get a little sneak peek at the abstract. So this looks like a pretty good source here if you're looking for a lot of scientific information about the mass extinction of the dinosaurs. And we have the date here, among other things. If you do not want English, there's a pretty cool thing here. You can do this drop-down menu, and you can actually get this translated to multiple languages. If you're somebody who likes to listen instead of reading, there's also the opportunity there to hit play, and you can even change the accent if you want to listen to it. So you could read through this. This is the entire document right here. Looks like a pretty lengthy one, but maybe that's what you needed. And on the right here, you've got some pretty neat tools. You can add this to your Google Drive. You can print this out. You can email this to yourself. You can save this on the EBSCO host, ERIC. And you can also translate, listen. And this is something that a lot of students will probably enjoy, the ability to cite. So if you click on this, you can actually get the AMA reference list over here, how to directly put that in there. APA, if your class is using APA, Chicago, and most likely your teacher will probably be using MLA. So you can just copy and paste this right into your works cited or your reference list when you're trying to cite this later. So this is a brief introduction here to EBSCO host, specifically using ERIC through the Kentucky Virtual Library. Thank you guys, and I hope this helps.